Now I'm teaching intermediate now first year trigonometry chapter first exercise. So here prove that 3 of sin theta minus cos theta whole power 4 plus 6 of sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus 4 of sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta. So here it is LHS is equal RHS. RHS is how much ma? 13. Okay, how we can prove? Take LHS. So we can add in these three terms, we can get as 13. So first find the first term. So that is 3 of sin theta minus cos theta whole power 4. Okay, this 4 you can write as 2 2 Okay, a power m into n. We can write as a power m whole power n. So that is here 3 of sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Okay, so this one how we can write 3 of sin theta minus cos theta whole square. So it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square form is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So that is here sin square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta. Okay, here we know that the trigonometric identity sin square theta plus cos square theta, its value is 1. Okay, so that is here 3 of 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta whole square. Again here you can use the formula a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square, that is what the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that is here 3 of 1 square minus 2 into 2 sin theta cos theta into 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta whole square. Okay, so here that is 1 minus 2 to 4 sin theta cos theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta whole square. That is here ab whole power m. A power m into b power m. That is here 2 square sin square cos square. That is 2 square 4 sin square theta cos square theta. Okay, so here 3 of sin theta cos theta whole square is equal 3 of 1 minus 4 sin theta cos theta plus 4 sin square theta cos square theta. Next one 6 of sin theta plus cos theta whole square. First term is completed now. Next second term. So you can simplify the second term. Here 6 of sin theta plus cos theta whole square means what? A plus b whole square. That is a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is here sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta, its value is 1. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Third one 4 of sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta. Okay, here the 6 we can write as 2 3 6. 2 3 6. Okay, this one we can write as sin square theta whole cube. A power m whole power n is equal a power m into n plus cos square theta whole cube. Okay, now it is in the form of a cube plus b cube. Here a is the what? Sin square theta, b is the what? Cos square theta. So here a plus b whole cube form is what ma? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b. A plus b whole cube form is what ma? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b. Plus 3ab of a plus b comes this to minus. So that is here a plus b whole cube minus 3ab of a plus b is equal a cube plus b cube. Okay, here a is the word here sin square theta, b is the word ma? Cos square theta. So a cube plus b cube is equal a plus b whole cube minus 3ab of a plus b. So that is here we can write as sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta of sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, no? A plus b whole cube minus 3ab of sin square theta plus cos square theta. This formula you can apply here. Okay, so that is here 4 of sin square theta plus cos square theta. That is 1 cube using the trigonometric identities. Okay, minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Okay, so 4 of 1 cube 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta into 1. You can get the same. Again, so take LHS now. So first term, what is that first term? 3 of 1 minus 4 sin theta cos theta plus 4 sin square theta into cos square theta. First term. Second term, 6 of 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Next, third term, 4 of 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. This is the LHS. Okay, first term simplify, I said get that 3 of 1 minus 4 sin theta cos theta plus 4 sin square theta cos square theta. Second term you can simplify that 6 of 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Third term you can simplify plus 4 of 1 minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. Multiply this total term, 6 is multiply this total term, 4 is multiply this total term. Okay, so 3 into 1, 3, 3 4 12 sin theta cos theta plus 12 sin square theta cos square theta plus 6 into 1, 6, 6 2 12, 12 sin theta cos theta plus 4 into 1, 4 minus 4 3 12 sin square theta cos square theta. Okay, plus sin square theta plus 12 sin square theta minus 12 sin square theta. Next, minus 12 sin theta cos theta plus 12 sin theta cos theta. Cancel. What the remaining? 3 plus 6 plus 4. So 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. That is RHS. So LHS is equal RHS. Therefore, hence prove. Prove that sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square plus cos theta plus secant theta whole square minus of tan square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, so here how we can do that? Take LHS, then prove that, then we can get RHS. So take LHS. So here, what is the LHS? Sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square, cosecant theta whole square plus cos theta plus secant theta whole square minus tan square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, so here it is the form of a plus b whole square, it is the form of a plus b whole square. So that is here sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cosecant theta plus cosecant square theta. Next, cos theta plus secant theta whole square. Again here we will use the formula a plus b whole square. That is here cos square theta plus 2 cos theta secant theta plus secant square theta minus of this minus is multiplied with these two terms, that is minus tan square theta minus into plus minus cos square theta. Okay, here we know that the trigonometric identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Okay, 1 plus 2 sin theta and cosecant theta both are reciprocal identities, their product is become 1 plus cosecant square theta plus cosecant and cos and secant both are reciprocal identities, their product is become 1. Okay, that is 2 into 1 plus secant square theta minus tan square theta minus cos square theta. Okay, here we know that by using the trigonometric identity, secant square theta minus tan square theta, its value is 1. Cosecant square theta minus cos square theta, its value is 1. That is here 1 plus 2 plus cosecant square theta minus cos square theta plus 2 secant square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, so that is here 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 1. So that is here 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So that is equal RHS. So LHS is equal RHS. Therefore, hence prove. Prove that cos to the power of 4 alpha plus 2 cos square alpha of 1 minus secant square alpha is equal to 1 minus sin to the power of 4. 1 minus sin to the power of 4 alpha. Okay, how we can prove? take by LHS, then prove that RHS. So take LHS here. Cos square of 4 alpha plus 2 cos square alpha of 1 minus 1 by secant square alpha. Okay, here cos and secant both are reciprocal identities. Cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Okay, here 1 by secant square theta. Okay, secant square alpha. We can write as cos square of 4 alpha plus 2 cos square alpha of 1 minus cos square alpha. 1 minus cos square alpha. 1 by secant is equal to cos square. So 1 by secant square alpha is equal to cos square alpha. So by using here trigonometric identities, what the trigonometric identity is? Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. So plus cos square alpha side we can move the right side, it become 1 minus cos square alpha. So that is in the place of 1 minus cos square alpha, you can write as sin square alpha. That is cos square alpha plus 2 cos square alpha into sin square alpha. Okay, so here cos square alpha, here cos square alpha. Okay, in this two what are common? Cos square alpha is taking outside. What the meaning here? 1 plus 2 sin square alpha. 1 plus cos square alpha plus 2 sin square alpha. Okay, so here cos square alpha of the place of cos square alpha we can write as 1 minus sin square alpha plus 2 sin square alpha. Okay, so that is your cos square alpha of 1 plus sin square alpha. How? Minus sin square alpha plus 2 sin square alpha. Okay, so minus 1 plus 2, that is become plus 1. Okay, minus sin square alpha plus 2 sin square alpha we can get as 1 plus sin square alpha. Okay, here cos square alpha of 1 plus sin square alpha. Here by using the trigonometric identities, in the place of cos square alpha you can write as 1 minus sin square alpha into 1 plus sin square alpha. A minus b into a plus b, that is equal a square minus b square, that is 1 minus sin square alpha whole square, that is 1 minus sin square alpha whole square, that is sin square of 4 alpha, that is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore hence proved. Sin theta minus cos theta whole square by 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, here take LHS. So here what is LHS? 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square by 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta whole square. Okay, here we can use the formula a minus b whole square in the numerator, a plus b in the denominator. Okay, here 1 plus sin theta is a, cos theta b. 1 plus sin theta a, cos theta is b. Okay, a minus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is here 1 plus sin theta whole square minus 2 of 1 plus sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta by next here 1 plus sin theta whole square plus 2 of 1 plus sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta. Okay, so next here again here we can use the formula a plus b whole square. So that is here 1 plus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta minus here 2 of 1 into cos theta plus sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta. Okay, by here 1 plus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta, same here plus 2 cos theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta. Okay, here minus 2 is multiplied this two term, minus 2 into cos theta, minus 2 cos theta, minus 2 into plus sin theta cos theta, minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, so that is here sin square theta plus cos square theta, how much? 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta plus 1 minus 2 cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta by here sin square theta plus cos square theta. It is 1 plus 2 sin theta plus 1 plus 2 cos theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, ma? Next one. 1 plus 1, 2. Here 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, so that is 2 plus 2 sin theta minus 2 cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta by next 2 plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 2 cos theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, in this two what the common? 2. Okay, so that is here 2 of 1 plus sin theta. Next, in this two what the common? Here 2 is there, here cos theta. Here 2 is there, here cos theta is there. So here 2 cos theta is taken outside. What the remaining? Minus 2 cos theta. Here minus minus more. Okay, what the remaining? 1 plus sin theta. Alright, here also same. In this two what the common? 2. That is 1 plus sin theta. 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 into sin theta, 2 sin theta. Okay, in this two what the common? Here 2 cos theta, here 2 cos theta. One is multiply anything, get the same. Okay, so that is here 2 cos theta of 1 plus sin theta. Okay, in the numerator, here 1 plus sin theta, here 1 plus sin theta. So 1 plus sin theta is taking outside, that is 2 of 1 plus sin theta is taking outside. What the remaining? Here 1 plus theta, 1 plus sin theta is taking and 2. So that is here 1 minus cos theta by here 2 of 1 plus sin theta is taking outside. From this one you can take the total what the remaining 1 plus here 1 plus sin theta, 2 is taking outside, what the remaining cos theta. Okay, numerator is 2 of 1 plus sin theta, denominator is 2 of 1 plus sin theta is multiple. Okay, both are cancelled. What remaining? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. That is equal RHS. Equal RHS. Therefore, it is ends proof.